I'm Daniela Olano, and this is my third project. About me, I'm 23 years old. I went to UF. I speak 3 languages. And for this entire project, I think I listened to the song Truth Hurts by Lizzo like over 100 times. I would just play it on repeat while I was coding. So my website is basically an entrepreneurial website, and the complications are mostly deciding on an idea. I think I switched my idea like 3 times because it was like every single time I wanted to do something, I was like, I'm not gonna have enough time. So I would switch to another one. Another issue was authentication for me. I didn't want to, I tried not to use the boilerplate because I didn't necessarily understand it. So then this was like my brain for the first week. Like I kept on starting projects and I would get stuck on like whatever I was using. And I would be like, okay, I need to start it again, and I'll try something else until I finally started one from scratch. The database, I had a lot of confusion connecting my database. I had a few different databases connected at the same time, and it was a lot, and time. For my future improvements, there's a part of my site that you'll see that, like Justin's, like my information goes to the back end, but I didn't have time to show it on the front end. There was also, I wanted to add like a part where you could show, like create your own business presentation on it, styling a little bit. And then I want to mix in my original idea, which was essentially going to be an application where you could find an easy job, like a dog walking or things like that to make side money. But it didn't turn out like that. So this is my app. We're gonna start hustling, and then this is the user dashboard, and then this is essentially where you can make your own one-page business plan, and you answer all the individual questions. You write it out. It's like 1 to 2 sentences per question, and it's just an easy way to keep track of your ideas. You can also have a to-do list, which is the part that I couldn't get to post, but here you would essentially create your to-do, and then it would post here. And then if you don't have an idea for yourself, you can come here, and there's a bunch of different ideas, and you're like, okay, I want to go into graphic design. You can click for more info, and it will take you to a link to buy a book or whatever. Or you can be like, all of these ideas suck, I want to add a new one, and web dev. Description, learn a lot. Ironhack.com. Add item, and then if you scroll to the bottom, it's there. And yeah, that's basically it.